Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fauzia Hanum and I'm from Harapan Bangsa University. Okay, please look at the picture. Okay, can you see the picture? What do you see in the picture? Nah, nice. We will continue to find out what is going on there. In this presentation, we will discuss about community-based local food system integration perspective on managing nutritional problem in children under 5 years. A qualitative study in Banyumas district. Next. The problem of nutrition is very urgent issue to be addressed seriously because it concerns the quality of Indonesian human resources in the future and greatly affect the existence of the country. National problems are most experienced in toddler, causing 1/3 of the world death and 1/2 child mortality in Indonesia. Why in toddler? Because toddlers are a golden period, if nutrition is met properly, it will have a positive impact on maximum growth and development. If during the golden period can maximize nutrition, it will have an impact like susceptible to disease, stunt growth and development, IQ behavioral problem. From UNICEF data, Indonesia ranked 5th in the world with fail to grow and development. Okay, this is a map Central Java and Banyumas Regency ranked 5th biggest case of nutrition in Central Java. Banyumas Regency has abundant source of local food cultivation, so that community-based local food is needed to overcome nutritional problem in toddler. This research method use design mix method with approach sequential explanatory. The sample of this research is 39 health center, children under 5 years and health center policy maker, the Banyumas District Health Office, implementing partner for health and nutrition, midwife as health worker, carer, and the community. Data analyzed in this research is by using quantitative data and followed by qualitative data. The quantitative data obtain data on the number of children under 5 years of age who have nutritional problem, measuring nutrition using anthropometry. Other data is local food mapping data. Local food mapping data using Geographic Information System or GIS mapping application. And then data collection technique for qualitative were employed, namely individual interview or direct individual interview, direct observation. Okay, the result of the research. The result of this research is that Banyumas is a producer cassava in Central Java. Cassava is a local food in Banyumas district. Based on the image map, okay, it can be seen that the red area of low production has decreased developed. The blue color of high production has decreased. The yellow color has been low production, has increased, and the green has been increased, has been high production. And more the local food in Banyumas area and in Banyumas district, there is soybean as a local food in Banyumas district. Banyumas is a soybean producer in Central Java with a famous process, namely mendoan. Process soybean in the form of tempe, tahu, getuk goreng, keripik tempe. So soybean is rich in vegetable protein and so good for food for the malnourished problem. Okay. The result of the anthropometric measurement tabel in toddler, the biggest problem of toddler nutrition in Banyumas Regency is stunting. Okay. And the data qualitative synthesis of finding obtained from the perspective of local food preparation as an effort to overcome nutritional problem. Nutrition governance. This is a qualitative individual interview or direct individual interview to governance and facilitating factor for nutrition governance. Nutrition is a priority for the governance. Child nutrition policy developed, but challenging factor, nutrition coordination not fully under government leadership. And then nutrition financing, how nutrition financing in Banyumas district, facilitating factor, primary healthcare service free of charge for under 5 children. Challenging factor must often provide by donor and for short-term intervention, not from government. And then health and nutrition service delivery. How health and nutrition service delivery on Banyumas district. Primary healthcare active delivery in the health facility include grow monitoring and promotion program. But challenging factor, screening and management of malnutrition not delivered in the health center and not include into outreach health activity. And then local food availability, facilitating factor, local food in Banyumas Regency is sweet potatoes or cassava and soybean, which are managed by various type of food. But challenging factor, there is no local food management as a way to deal with nutritional problem. And the conclusion for our research, nutritional problem in Banyumas Regency in the form of underweight, stunting, several wasting, and wasting problem are still high. Banyumas district local food is cassava and soybean, and implementation of local food integration will ensure progress strengthening the overall food health system in the case of nutrition problem. A short-term strategy would consist of strengthening coordination of government nutrition intervention, training of health workers, and active involvement of community health worker to address the shortage of health facility staff. Okay, thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.